We got some cantaloupe, honeydew, some pineapple, some watermelon. A little spinach topper.
What's happening, Jay?
The classic struggle. Wake up and 2 feet of snow has dropped. We can't drive out of here. There's at least about a 2-foot drift here, about a foot over here. We parked at the top of the driveway since we couldn't even drive down it last night. Probably gonna take a good 20 minutes to shovel this out.
Mr. Plow!
We're snowed in, but we still need some food. This isn't our regular grocery store, but it's a local grocery store. So let's go in, check it out, and see if we can find some produce. Guys, we're looking for greens. We're half off here all day. We got half off spinach. Organic's cheap. I mean, everything's cheap over here, guys. So 50%. We're gonna grab a couple boxes here. So check the bottoms, make sure the bottoms are looking good. Grab that. Grab some spinach. Sure, we got our greens for this week. Chop down like a rabbit. Gotta grab our ripe bananas, guys. Loading up. We're gonna grab all the ones with spots on it. Make sure they're ready to go for this week. Right there. See that guy right there? That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for in a good banana. Think we should grab a couple? Think we should grab a couple more, Hank?
Oh, absolutely, Jay.
Good. No, those 4. We can't leave it 4. Sweet potato, the staple. You know, we gotta make sure we get our yams in there. Yeah. Nice. It's carb time. I'm looking for my starch. Where is it, guys? Where is it? Here we go. Pound of potatoes all day, guys.
What are those? Some pea potatoes?
Yeah, potatoes. We're talking 15-pound bags here. Alright, my favorite spot to be. It's hydration time. It's breakfast time. The grocery store, they always got something cut up for us. So yeah, right there. There it is. We got some cantaloupe, honeydew, some pineapple, some watermelon. We're gonna grab a couple things of this. We're gonna chop this down by the lighthouse. Garbanzo beans, come on guys, we're loading up.
Blizzard this morning. It was absolutely crazy.
You guys saw the driveway, it was blown in.
We couldn't go to our local our regular grocery store, so we went to our local grocery store, which is a little bit more expensive,
more pricey,
but at least we can make it there and get our food. We got our fruit cups here.
Yeah, no, since we wake up so late in the day every day, you know, we had to run into town, do it real quick, and we got our breakfast on the go. And who says you can't eat vegan on the go? This looks perfect to me.
So we thought we'd bring you guys to our harbor. I've been here about a year, but I used to come here all the time in school and enjoy the view. And
little trip down memory lane. I mean, we usually come here in the summer when it was sunny, but I haven't been down here in a while. We wanted to check it out.
I just wanted to show you guys.
So we're gonna sit here, we're gonna chomp some fruit, and we're gonna check out the view.
You guys want to come with me over to the lighthouse? Did you guys see that again?
Oh, I'm soaked. All right, let's wait for one more. Let's get soaked again. Here it comes. Woo! All right, one more. Oh wow. Oh my God, the camera is soaked. Let's get out of here. Fucking war zone.
We're going to be adding this to our rice. We have our an onion, some sweet potatoes, the carrots, the peppers, the celery, the broccoli. We're going to top it off with some spinach. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to throw in a can of beans. Alright guys, you want to see the cutest thing ever? Look at these guys. They love their broccoli. Look at this right here. That's all they want. Look at it. Look at their heads. Look at their heads. You want the broccoli, guys? Want the broccoli? Alright. Now, it's really messy, so I gotta let them outside one at a time. Odin, here's your broccoli. Here you go, Odin. Come on, King. King, come on, let's go. Let's go, outside. Here, come on, Ace. You boys, outside, enjoy your broccoli. Silly boys. Alright, let's get those carbs in there. Alright, what do we got here for sauce? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We got the lid over here.
That's what I'm talking about. Right there. Alright, I gotta say it time and time again, this is our staple meal, just a whole bunch of veggies, whatever you got, mixed with potatoes or rice. We have opted for rice, we have a little onion top on.
No, it's going for the carbs. Just smashing back the free carbs, you know, rice is so cheap, and then the vegetables, you know, to get all your vitamins and nutrients out of. Alright,
let's try it. Well, wait! We gotta wait! Chris! Staple time!
I love carb time.
As soon as we mention carbs, this guy is here!
Every time, go Chris, we got some rice, we got some broccoli.
It smells delicious.
Taste test.
Alright, let's do this. Let's smash this back real quick.
Yeah, every time. Now put some spice on it, whatever you want, but...
Alright, the sun's almost down. Time to get that workout in because we gotta get it out before it gets too cold.
We're always waking up so late. We're always up editing all night, so we gotta just, you know, fit the workout in whenever you can. It doesn't matter if it's the morning, whenever it's your morning, just get it done.
Yeah, day or night, it doesn't matter. As long as you get it in, so it's feeling good. We got our hats on.
The sunshine's just about to break over the horizon here, so it's probably gonna get dark as we're working out. It's gonna be nice.
So let's have some fun, guys.
That was a good workout, Jay.
It was cold, it was brisky, but good thing my orange juice is cold also.
I need to take a shower, but before that, I need some carbs real quick.
A little post-workout, get some sugar, get some energy.
Cheers, Jay.
Let's get it in this.
Fresh squeezed orange juice on a blizzard day, nothing sweeter.
I love orange juice. It goes down smooth every time.
I love oranges. Time to bring Jay's pizza.
Hank!
Jay?
Is that you? Oh.
Jay, I got something for you.
What's that?
I got something for you.
That looks very tasty.
What do you got there, huh?
Editing fuel by the look of it. Oh! What's on this?
What's going on over here, Jay? What's
Oh, you know, editing a grocery shop, you know, checking out what's going on. You put a quinoa on this, didn't you?
I put everything on it for you there, big guy.
Moly chunks of garlic.
Take a bite, Jay. Take a bite.
I gotta get in some of this.
Take a bite.
What's going on?
Take a bite.
Guys, loaded. Oh, man. Hank and truly outdone yourself. Guys, don't worry, don't be jealous. I'm gonna be putting up this recipe tomorrow. Hank, come on, bro.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of our vlog today. We're gonna end off with a big whole veggie pizza.
It's been a great day, guys. We brought you down to the lighthouse, showed you some of our hometown. It was great.
So we're gonna just spend the rest of the night watching movies and edit you guys this vlog.
Because it's fruits and vegetables for the life.
And it's fruits and vegetables
For the win, guys.